Welcome to Heritage Lake in West Mobile, Alabama. This beautiful Isabella floor plan is just off of Eliza Jordan and Airport Boulevard. It's a 4-bedroom with 2 full baths. It's almost 2,000 square feet. It features this beautiful white quartz countertop, a backsplash in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances with your farm-style sink, and a walk-in pantry. I love this open floor plan. It's perfect for entertaining. You have the beautiful tray ceilings in the living area, and you have a covered back porch just off of the living area. Welcome to the primary suite. You have beautiful tray ceilings. The primary bath features dual vanities, a separate water closet, a soaking tub, and a freestanding shower. You also have a nice size walk-in closet. Come on in, let me show you around. You have 2 bedrooms here just off of the kitchen. The second bath is in between here. Shower and tub combo. Lots of natural light in this house. Here's the 4th bedroom in the front. What more could you ask for? Don't forget, this is one of the gold fortified homes, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Call today for your private showing. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.